Imagine starting with just 1 million naira or $1,000 and turning it into a thriving business empire. Sounds impossible, right? But for Emeka, it was a dream come true. Or it was a reality. Emeka was a regular guy working 9 to 5, which was very hard for him to cover his expenses. You know how it is. Tired of the rat race, he decided to make a leap of faith and start his own business. With limited resources and a lot of determination, he embarked on a journey that would change his life forever. Well, Emeka's biggest challenge was the small amount of capital he has to use to start up his business. He had to be incredibly resourceful and creative to make the most of his limited funds. Navigating the competitive business landscape in Nigeria was one of the problems Emeka faced. He had to find a niche, work on it in order for him to differentiate himself from his competitors. As every entrepreneur knows, self-doubt is a big thing that happens to people in today's world of business, especially when faced with challenges. Emeka has to fight his own fears and challenges in order to preserve. Or in this video, I'm going to be listing 5 businesses that you can start today with as low as 1 million naira or less, or $1,000 or less. And number 1 was the business that Emeka did, which he niched down, that changed his life and that of his family, which I believe everyone can do it, whether you're a student, you're a stay-at-home wife, you are anything. You are just, as far as you have the little capital to start up, between 500k to 1 million, between $500 to $1,000, it all works out fine. Number 5 is open a laundry shop in front of a corporate office. In every state, there's always that high sense of area where there are a lot of corporate offices, where people, banks, private sectors, corporate institutions, all of them. Like here in Abuja, there's central area. The central area, like CBD, there's Wuse, a lot of corporate offices in central area in Wuse. Imagine setting up a laundry shop there. Once someone is going to work, you just drop off his luggage, drop off his clothes and go to work. Once he's coming back after 2 days, he'll come and pick it up and go. Simple. You are the heart of Abuja. You are the heart. You are in these people's faces. To be something, to be as if you are going to, or they just carry it, because once there is no traffic there, you just drop it off, enter work, come pick it up, go. It's a very big business that is yet to be untapped in Nigeria. Most laundry shops are mostly in the areas where they stay at home and stuff like that, like where the housing areas are. That's the most of the laundry shops are. But putting it in their own face, in their own office, people that goes to work, to right in front of them and giving them the sweet class, the high class of business and taste. Both genders, they really patronize you, and it's a good one. It's really untapped, so I believe with 500k or 1 million, you can go there. Number 1, you can rent a shop with as low as 500k or 400k, then get an iron, get a table, get a washing machine, then know the type of materials and know how to wash them. You have to have experience, because you can't come and be spoiling people's clothes and expect them to take it lightly with you, you know. So you have to know your game, know your acts, and know how you do it perfectly for them. Number 4 on our list of top 5 businesses is Snail Farm. Snail Farm is something that is yet to be untapped, because there's a lot of businesses, like a lot of farming, like fish farming, chicken rearing, these animals, pig, cow, this thing. But snail is less stressful. With fish, you think of water temperature, sunlight, all these things. With chicken farming, you think of light, chicken feed, diseases, stuff like that. But snail farm, you don't need much. Just get your snails, get a ground, get banana leaf, be covering them, do your small assignment, check YouTube, see a lot of videos on snail farming, full up. Once you finish, do you know how much they sell snail? Go to the restaurant and they say one snail 9,000, one snail some restaurant 20,000. Go to the market, they sell 4 snail for you 10,000. Snail, that is what you don't know. Snail is behind, it's less stressful. It's really less stressful. That's one of the business I'm planning of embarking on. The snail farm, you don't want to even enter. I've done my arithmetics, I've done my primary assignment, and it's really a very good one. less stressful, easy to enter. Just daily monitor, give them food, let water pour so to be fresh. That's just it. They just grow like that. Between 4 to 6 months, they are good to go. Number 3 is open a car wash in front of a gym center. If you look at this business concept and idea, most big men, they always go to the gym in the morning before they go to work. As early as 6 o'clock, they're already at the gym. Imagine them having that concept that, if I go to the gym, there's someone that washes car outside there. Let them know, give them flyers, and I work with the gym guys, receptionists. Put your flyer there, just opposite it or beside it. You just come as they are gymming, you watch their car for them. You just leave the key, watch inside. When they come out, they have a clean car, they just draw the car from there, change and go to work. It's simple as that. People mostly gym in the morning. Even people that come and gym in the night, they can just watch their car, take it home. So in the morning, they have a clean car to go to work with, because nobody have somebody that washes their car for them at home. Nobody that has drivers, and it's really a good business. Don't need much money. Just get a tank, get a car cover, this car park cover stuff, and get a water stuff, and get 2 or 3 people that washes your car. Then receptionist. It's as simple as that. It's a good location to start up a business. So guys, it's really untapped. If you get into less than 500k or 1 million, you are good to go. 1 million can open 2 or 3 branches. Both key gyms that have members. So that's just it. Number 2 is open a door-to-door fuel delivery service. The way they have gas delivery system, where they come to your house, they deliver gas to you. Imagine doing that for fuel. A lot of fuel scarcity, fuel hike in price. Get a good fuel station that always sells fuel to you. Be in collabo with them. They want to spend on buy fuel of 1 million, 2 million. Fill your tanker, car is go to the fuel station. Add extra 100 naira or 50 naira on each liters and sell it to those people. They will buy. Those big men have big gen. Can do so can start with fuel, because fuel you can even come at different people. Everybody, let's buy. Everybody will buy at once. Man, some men has 10 cars, 16 cars. Full the 4 cars for them. You know how much that is coming to you. So it's really an untapped business, but I'm not saying anybody doing this. So that is just about the freight delivery service. It's still untapped. Nobody's doing it. If you can start up now, do your assignment. And how you can get your customers is, you can go to the gym, you can go to estates, go to this big estate, put your hand flyer. You can run ads on Facebook or Instagram. Yes, you can run ads on Facebook. People have 2 or 3 cars, they usually call you, come and fill up their tanks for them. This will really cost you money though, because that tank will cost, but you can get the tank on higher purchase. Then to customer, you can get a keke, that keke na pep. That's the type of keke na pep that has boot. Then construct a tank inside. That's just it. Then be filling the tank, then come and dispense for people. Just it. With time I now customize it. This might cost is slightly above 1 million though, but it's a lucrative business. There's ways around it. There are definitely ways around it. And number 1, which Emeka did, that gave him the money he used to start up his business and cover his 9 to 5, was the fact was that he opened an egg shop in front of a gym. There's no gym you go to today that they will not advise you to eat 2 to 4 eggs every day. Egg is quite high in protein, and anybody that gym needs protein. So if you can open it, you don't even need much. Just buy 20 crates or 50 crates, put in 5 different, maybe in front of iFitness shops, all of them in Lagos. Just get one, put your egg. Believe me, in less than a month, you are selling 100 crates, 200 crates. Or other gym center that has lots of population. This is totally untapped. I've not gone to any gym center that I saw somebody selling egg in front. I've not gone. I just see boutiques, but just put your own. You don't even need much. Just put your stand there. Say good quality egg from. Go to the poultry farm. Buy. You can buy it at rate of 100 naira and sell it at rate of 200 for each egg. And you sell. It's still cheap. You sell because all these supermarkets you sell 250 per one. Imagine making 50% profit or 40% profit. Untapped. This is total. This is fresh. This is untapped business. It's 200% untapped. Imagine doing something like that. Do you know how much you getting at the end of the month? Do you know? Now our bonus business plan you can do with less than 1 million is certain income business. Income business is the fact that whereby you can know the price of a product. Like you pay price on GG, then add extra 5,000 to it, an extra 3,000. You can get the product for 5,000, sell it for 17,000. Get it for 5,000, sell it for 15,000. That is running your ad fee and your this thing. Your ad fee is like 3,000 on each product and 5,000 as profit, or 3,000 for ad fee, 3,000 for delivery, then extra 5,000 for your profit. So if you check the amount now, that is how you'll be running ads and you're making your money. It's as simple as that. This is the bonus plan. This is what I'm doing that I think we should do. You should also make your money in it. So guys, which of these business do you think you'll be doing, and which of these do you think you'll be doing next, and which one do you think is worth it? Give me a like and expect more videos on each of these businesses I just talked about. I'm going to break down on how you start it and the steps and what you need and what you don't need. Don't forget to subscribe and share. It might be helping somebody. Thank you.